Hey guys, this is Alice from Magezon. Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorial series. This is where you find everything about Magento, from basic knowledge to detailed instructions on how to set up and manage Magento 2 store. Everything. Now, let's take a look at our 7 different categories. The very first category is Magento 2 basic knowledge. This section will answer all Magento related questions such as what Magento is, what features Magento brings to the store, and what makes Magento different from other e-commerce platforms. The second category is store settings. You will learn about how to set up and configure Magento 2 store admin. Move on to catalog, where you find ways to create and manage products and products categories. Next is content. We show you how to create appealing pages using images, videos, dynamic content, and also how to edit blocks and widgets. Another category is marketing. We'll help you make use of tools to enhance your marketing, including promotion, communication, which is about email and newsletter, SEO and search, and customer engagement. Move on to sales. You'll learn how to set up payment and shipment, manage orders and returns. And last but not least, manage store. You will get to know store hierarchy, manage taxes and currency rates, and store data. Without touching a line of code, you can completely take control of your Magento 2 store on your own. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and blog for more tutorials.